Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my pool equipment, and I've noticed my spa has been draining overnight when everything's shut down, and it has a backflow valve. That's the backflow valve that prevents backflow. So there it is installed right there. I think I can take that cover off and just put the new flapper in without taking that whole piece out of, without repiping the whole thing. So I shut it down. I've got spa suction and spa return are turned off. So I think this is going to get messy, but I don't, because there's water left in the system. So there's not too much I can do about that. Let's crack open that cover plate and give it a shot. This is how I improvised to get to that one where I don't have clearance because of the gas pipe. Just a very small, adjustable, put it on the end of that Phillips bit. Okay, I got all the screws out. It's not even leaking around here yet until I pull it off. Then I'm sure I'll have kind of a gusher. I'm going to reposition my little pad here and kind of get my feet out of the way. Let's see how it goes. Well, I got it out. There wasn't any gusher, and it actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. But it may be flattened out just enough so that it doesn't seal. Anyway, I'm going to put the new one in. So it goes right in there with the flapper up that way. I wonder if you could put the flapper either way. Let me think. Oh, well, no, I don't think so, because the water flow is that direction. So if I put it in that way, it would just be shut against the water flow. So this way, the water flow opens it up like that. It may be, this used to have two anti-backflow pieces like this, and one of them was taken out by a guy who did work on this system. He wasn't very good, but anyway, it may need the two of them actually to work. But I'm going to try this. I'm inspecting the seat where that rubber part of the valve sits right here. This is the part that it was not sitting on, and it looks perfect. I took a mirror and looked at the part up there, and it has a couple of little funny looking places where there might be water leaking past it, but they don't look really big, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm not going to take this whole thing out right now today. I'm just going to try replacing the valve. So let's put that in. Now make sure you go with a crisscross pattern. Okay, right there is where I put the new backflow valve in. So crisscross, don't tighten around in a circle like that. Tighten like that, crisscross it. Okay, I'm going to turn the pool on now and fill the spa up, and I won't really be able to tell if this fixed anything until I wait overnight. So I will put it down in the comments of the video whether it works or not, okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Ring the bell if you want notification. Subscribe to the channel if you want more. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.